To power off your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings to understand if which way we can do it. So let's open the settings on our device, and then if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, we can enter additional settings and then enter gesture shortcuts. After that, scroll down to the bottom and there's power off option. Now, by default, I think you will have press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to call out the power menu and switch off your device. There's also option to press the power and volume up buttons at the same time to enable the power mode and then switch it off. So now in this case, by default, you will need to click and hold the power button for 3 seconds. And then there's this power menu, and all you have to do is swipe up like this to power off your device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.